Hey guys, Steamboat Productions here. I'm gonna be reviewing this wooden train website because at this point I actually just flat out ran out of ideas. So basically what you do on this thing is that you build a layout. It has, this engine right here. Looks like, the old steam engine from Brio. But even more wooden. Um, you could delete tracks. You can place tracks with these buttons right here. Yeah. Um, there's like two different types of curve tracks. Yep. Look at that, I made a loop. And look at him go. Whee! Spinning around, spinning around. Yeah. You could also change the color palette. I usually go with the brown ones because it's similar to my layouts where I have differently colored tracks for some reason. Probably because, well, they're old, but yeah. You could also move the camera around. It's a little bit fidgety to deal with, but yeah. So yeah, let's do a better layout. So yeah. This came with a few this comes with 3 accessories. Like 3 track specific accessories. It comes with a loop. Yep, so your engine can go on a loop because it's funny. It also comes with a tunnel if my gameplay could pull it up because this is screen recorded. I'm pre-recording it. Yeah, let's do that loop. And look, it's the tunnel. Wow. Woohoo. Yep. Pretty cute. Yep, as you can see here, the engine is going on a loop. Pretty cute. Place more track right here. And the engine is stopped, as you see, if you don't place enough track. I was hoping for the engine to derail the first time I played it, but yeah. Here's a even closer look at our engine. Of course, as you can see, the engine is definitely inspired by the old steam engine, and I just keep moving the camera. There we go. That's what it looks like. Pretty odd fella. The wheels actually don't move, and it comes with 2 log cars right there, which is pretty cute. Yeah. Let's make it even funnier. I'm gonna build a massive ascending track area right here. Because I am definitely... Oh, yeah, also a crossing piece. Because, well, there's no cars, but, yeah. As you can see, you can put ascending pieces right here. Just like every train building game, there's a height limit. So yeah, let me delete a piece and let me just do a little curve right there. And let me just go ahead and place a bit more. Oh, that's down. Okay, go back up. There we go. Yeah, I think it hit the sky limit. Yep. You could also build over the tracks, obviously. Made a little bridge, and you can just go all the way down, like a Tomy layout. Yep. A minor flaw with this game. I do wish it's a bit more. Wish there was like some more different types of track pieces. But it's just a pretty minor flaw. Like, if your main flaw of your game is that there's not enough of it, then you're doing pretty good. Yeah, let me just try and get this track connected to the station. Again, it's a little bit. Wait. I got a good idea. Let me just. Okay, let me just do that, and there we go. I said, there we go. Yeah, there. Look at that. Now it's a full, entire layout right here. Okay, obviously this is impossible to do in real life from my stuff because I don't have enough track to do it. And, of course, a wooden loop-de-loop would be dang near impossible to do. But, yeah, look at him go. There's, like, a little camera feature so you can do some cinematics of your train going around. Look at him. Look at him go. Pretty chill fella. Going on a loop-de-loop. Yep, taking the turn. So, do I recommend this website? Yeah. It's cute. It's very... It's very wholesome. It's not like Brio World levels of awesome. Because, well, obviously there's more, like, variety of engines, rolling stock and stuff. But, yeah. It's a fairly cute game. And I guess I recommend it. So, I don't know if they're still doing stuff with this game. Again, my friend just introduced me to this thing, but yeah. One last look of our engine right here. So yeah, that's it on Choo Choo World. Bye.